Hey guys, so in today's video I am going to be doing my color over. I just took my twist out today, and as you can see I have a whole lot of new growth. Like, it's crazy, so much new growth. And I was gonna wait until next week to do my color because I have an appointment next week to get my hair braided again. But we are starting kitchen renovations in the morning and they're going to be tearing everything out. So I decided to go on and do my color tonight. So I have the stuff that I'm going to be using to do my color. I already have my gloves on. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. I have the bleach, which is the Clairol BW2. I use this powder. And this one is almost empty, so I bought another container. So I have two of these containers. The developer that I use is the one and only Argan Oil Hair Color Cream Developer. And I have it in the 20 volume. And I've been coloring my hair for a while, and I learned the hard way that I can only use a 20 volume on my hair. I tried using the 30 volume to make it develop quicker, to make it lift quicker, but my hair ended up getting straight. I lost all my curls, so I had to cut my hair off again. So I learned the hard way to only use a 20 volume. The toner that I'm going to be using is by Ion. It's the Demi Lightest Ash Blonde. This is in the color 10A. So I have this one. I have two just in case I need both. I probably won't, but I always buy extra when I go to the store. And the developer I'm going to be using is also by Ion, and it's the 10 volume developer. And I'll be using that with the toner to tone my hair once I bleach it. Depending on how bright my color gets when I lift it the first time, I may end up doing a second lift, but it all depends. Only other thing I have is my bowl to mix the color and my spatula. And the other thing I'm going to be using is this spray that I developed. It's actually my baby. I created this. It's called Quench by Arailyus. This is a moisturizer for natural hair. It softens and moisturizes the natural hair, and I'm basically going to be using it as a buffer because the bleach, when I use the bleach, is going to strip the natural oils in my hair. So I'm going to use this to kind of counteract my hair stripping from the bleach. So I will be using that. This moisturizer on my website, which I will link below, is available in a 3-ounce travel size and also in an 8-ounce full size. So like I said, if you are interested, I will link it down below. I think that's everything. The only other thing I'm going to use is shampoo and conditioner, and I haven't decided which shampoo I'm going to use yet, so I'm just going to look at my stash and see what I have. So if you want to see how I lift my color, please continue watching. had to switch back to my phone. But the last thing I did was rinse the shimmer and lights out. And this is what it's looking like right now. Technically, I should have bleached it again, but honestly, I'm tired. That's the truth. I'm tired and I'm lazy, so I don't feel like bleaching it again. But I'm good with it. So this is what it's looking like. And now the last thing that I have to do, I put a leave-in deep conditioner on my hair. This is a mix of a bunch of different conditioners. There is some of this Neutrogena Triple Moisture Deep Recovery Hair Mask in here, but I add a whole bunch of other stuff in here, which is technically how I created Quench. Like, I just mixed things together, and that's what I did with my deep conditioner. So I'm gonna put this on my hair, and I'm gonna go back up under the steamer for another 20 minutes, and I'm going to rinse that out. So yeah, this is what I have left. I mix it all together and just put it on there. So a close-up of what it's looking like. And my hair in the top, I have looser curls in the top anyway, so the top always looks like it's damaged, but it's not. When my hair dries, it curls back up, but that's just how the very top of my hair does. Okay, so it's the next day and I wanted to come back and show like the final results of my hair. So this is my hair all dried, and like I said, the curls in the top, like I told you, the curls come back. When my hair dries, the curls come back. But this is what it's looking like right now. It's still soft and moisturized. Like, even with the bleach on my hair is really soft. Like, I wish I could feel it. It's really soft. So when I was in the shower, I ran some water over my hair and just like did that. But that's pretty much what I do in the morning. But the only thing that I put on my hair again is my moisturizer. So I just shake it up. And I'm trying to do this video really quick because they're already doing a demo, so I want to get done before you start hearing a lot of noise. If you hear anything in the background, that is what it is. So yeah. And then I just rub it through. And this is basically how I wear my hair. I don't have like any, I mean, it's not like any kind of real style to it. It's just longer on the top and shorter on the sides. But my hair shrinks so bad, it's like I can pull it out and make it look longer. But by the end of the day, it's gonna shrink back up. That's just what my hair does. And I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna keep it, if I'm gonna let it grow out, because normally I wear my hair with all the sides in the back gone, but I decided to let it, and I'm looking at the mirror in case you're wondering what I'm looking at, but I decided I may let it grow back. I haven't decided. I keep seeing a whole bunch of really cute short tapered styles, so I'm not sure if I want to let my hair grow out, but we'll see. But that's pretty much it. The Camille Rose that I put on last night, I may put this on once a week, but for my hair, my spray keeps my hair moisturized. I just spray it once a day, literally once a day, and like I just did, ran my hands through it, and that's basically what I do. So this is what it's looking like. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. And yeah, this is it. I don't have a set schedule to when I color my hair. I color my hair whenever. Yeah. So this is it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you again for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Yeah. So